Hi, I'm Nick Lippis, one of the co-founders and co-chairs of ONUG. As you know, we've been producing the AI Networking Summit during this year, and that will continue here on after. So I wanted to share something with you, kind of board members and kind of others who are close to the community. We've been putting together a ecosystem of what this AI um, marketplace is looking like. So I wanted to share that with everyone. So let's pull up a graphic. And here it is. So it's basically it's really like five layers. The fifth layer isn't shown, but let's start on the bottom and then we're going to move up. Also, too, it's that if you look to the far right, there's the box with the AI in it. That's really to kind of represent that this is a stack, right? It's an ecosystem stack. And then the width or the volume of each one of these boxes is an approximation to the overall addressable market and market share, that could be there. So on the bottom of it, clearly these are the hardware, the AI chipsets, and NVIDIA dominates this space, but there is a huge amount of investment um, um, currently in all of the major other silicon manufacturers like Intel and AMD, Broadcom, and others. And there's a huge number of startups in this space as well, like, almost like over 50, less than 100. So that's a big space. So kind of like that's kind of at the bottom, of this stack. And clearly, what we need there is options and choices, because right now we really don't have one. Kind of the GPU cluster that NVIDIA has successfully brought to market is about a $3.3 trillion design pattern. And it serves a really great purpose, but we do need more choice and more options there. And then when you start to move up, and then now this is like the infrastructure piece. So how are you building when you have these AI applications? You need kind of an infrastructure to support that. And so these are a lot of the companies that are in the networking and the storage and the security. And I don't really list here really the server companies as well, since that's kind of built into the kind of AI chipset, side of it with GPUs and DPUs and CPUs. So the bottom line is that we have the infrastructure piece that's there. And then on top of that is the foundational AI software. So this is really getting into like building AI applications, whether those are LLMs or others. So that space is quickly moving to commodity because many of the products that were developed are open sourced, and that's a good thing for the industry. And then on top of that are all of the AI applications. And these are companies that are delivering products either that are very specific in new AI applications, and clearly everybody knows ChatGPT is part of OpenAI. But also too, it's like it would include what Tesla is doing around full service driving, and many other companies. So it's not only just those companies that have made huge investments in very specific AI applications, but also horizontally as well, because as we all know, AI is permeating everything that we do, whether it's on our phones, the applications that we utilize, social that we interact with and create, posts and so forth. So there's all that. And then on top of this, and I think this is really kind of the exciting part, there's development right now for very specific APIs that kind of plug into all of this. And that's where a lot of enterprise developers will be leveraging existing applications and all that infrastructure underneath it in order to write applications that leverage AI tools in order to create value for their companies. So anyway, I wanted to share this with you all. Clearly, this is a tens of trillions of dollar marketplace. It offers to totally transform the world economy over the next couple of years. It's an exciting time, and this is the space that we are all now focused on at the AI Summit. Okay, great. Wanted to share that all with you. Thanks for watching.